Hello, my name's Candice and I'm an illustrator and a designer for Usborne Publishing.
Today we're going to be doing a drawing of King Charles for his coronation. I don't know if it needed that. Okay, so let's go. Remember, drawing people is always very tricky.
Yeah.
So take your time.
You don't have to rush this.
No, it's one of the trickiest things to do is drawing people. So first of all, we're going to draw a head.
A line.
A line at the top, and then quite a long face, like that. Okay, you doing the same thing, eh? You copy what I'm doing? Okay, and then we're going to draw King Charles's ears on the side. 2 ears. Very nice.
One is bigger than the other.
You've got one big ear than the other, that's all right, doesn't matter. And then a curve like that on the top, that's going to be his hair.
Feels like his brain.
Does look a bit like his brain, doesn't it? That's going to be his hair. Okay, and then we're going to draw 1, 2, 3 little lines on there.
Well, one big one,
Yeah.
then go around to the middle, then do a little tiny one at the bottom.
Yeah, exactly. And we're going to draw a V, upside down V here. Like
So,
that.
a tent.
Yeah.
Basically draw a tent, but with no stands.
Okay, and then we're going to draw the inside of the ears, which is just another little
Hole.
hole like that. Okay. Then from the middle of that V, you're going to draw the nose, which goes down and round like that. Okay.
It looks like a camp that's where it looks like an umbrella now.
A little bit. Okay, then we're going to draw some eyes. So we're going to do 1, 2 eyes. There we go.
Oh my guy's got a tiny face.
And then we're going to draw the hair at the sides of the head, which looks like this.
He's barely got any hair.
Oh.
I just gotta live. And then hasn't we got to...
We've got to draw the insides of the eyes. We've got to draw the pupils in there. 2 pupils. And then a mouth. So what you do for the mouth is 2 lines either side of the nose like that. And then a big smiley face there. Okay, and then we're going to finish off the eyebrows. So we're going to do some little
bumps
on the eyebrows.
So basically, just draw some semicircles or some hills. So
Yeah.
anything you can think of as semicircle, you draw.
Exactly.
Draw that, okay?
Let's draw that. Right, now we're going to draw a bit of the body. So we're just going to draw 2 lines like this.
Why can't we do this up to his hands?
Well, you can if you want. You can draw his hands if you want to. I'm just going to do this neck. Then I'm going to draw a line there in the middle. Draw that. And then 2 squares that go like that. This is going to be the top of his jacket.
Basically rectangles.
Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Okay, and then he's got these, and that jacket that he's wearing has got like these things on the shoulders. And then there's like a sash that comes down here. Okay. And then we can draw some lines on this. Like that. And then we're pretty much done there. And we can colour it in. So what do you want to colour in first? Would you like to colour in his hair?
Yeah.
So King Charles has got grey hair. So you do his hair and I'm going to do his skin. And then
Doesn't matter, you can draw him like a crazy guy, but just don't show that to King Charles.
No, don't show him. If you draw him crazy, don't show him.
You can do it any way you like, but you still have to have the hair. Can I use the peach?
I haven't finished yet. What about his eyebrows? You can colour in his eyebrows grey too.
Yeah, that doesn't one. Oh yeah, and also don't colour in his mouth because it'll look like he's got lipstick on.
That's true.
Okay, how about now? How about
There
now?
you go, swap.
My guy's got bigger than you.
Got bigger what?
Everything.
Bigger ears.
Why can't we draw the whole body?
Well, you can if you want to, but we're just drawing the head for today.
We're doing the top half. And then next time, can we draw the middle? Then can we draw the bottom?
Yeah, maybe. Put it all together.
Yeah.
There we go. I've drawn that. Coloured that even. And I'm going to draw or colour in the top of here. And these things on the shoulder, which I can't remember what they're called.
Side pads.
Side pads. I don't think they're called side pads. And then we'll have a blue
Wait,
sash.
we're missing something.
What are you missing?
A badge. His crown.
Oh yeah, you could put a crown on him.
Why don't we just draw a special little crown that's floating in the air?
Well, what kind of crown are you going to put on?
The special crown.
The special crown. But you could add a crown if you want to.
How do you draw them? So.
Well, crowns can be however you want them to be. You could also add medals onto the outfit.
How do you do it?
That's a very big crown. Why is it hovering above his head?
I know.
Is it going to be put on soon? Someone's going to put it on his head or his coronation.
Yeah, that's why I did that.
Okay.
No.
There we go. Let's just do a bit of red in there. Bit of rosy cheeks.
Is there anything else? Oh yeah.
Are you going to colour in his jacket? Red. Oh, nice. Nice crown. Like it. Wait, you colour in his jacket red like I have, and then
You just do the.
yeah, and then colour in his crown.
So.
It's already there, isn't it, for him to have it on his head
So,
when it becomes.
so you can
king.
draw a crown any way you like. But if you're drawing this one, so, and Mum, I feel like you would like to draw a crown, don't you?
Okay.
Would you?
I don't know where to put it exactly because I've drawn his hair and it look a bit weird now. So you can show.
Just do it hovering above his head.
Okay, hovering above his head. Okay. There's strict instructions from Theo to draw a crown hovering above his head.
Not strict.
Quite strict.
I didn't say you have to.
Kind of did.
It looks like a bug.
Thanks.
A cool thing, though. It's really cool. It looks cool, though.
Oh, well, there's my crown. Okay. Not as good as Theo's crown, but. Well, can I have that yellow? I like that yellow better.
Which one do you think's better, mine or yours?
I know, I really like yours. I love your crown. Okay, and that is our King Charles
coronation.
Yeah. Bye everyone.
Bye. Join us next time for a step-by-step drawing with me and my mum. Find out more about her books at usborne.com.